It addressed skill building and personal growth. Gardening teaches hands-on life skills such as responsibility, patience, and teamwork. 4-H supports their development by fostering leadership, social interaction, and confidence through structured activities. Together, these experiences create opportunities for empowerment and community engagement. Okay, this is a picture right here of me teaching special needs kids how to plant turnips, cabbage, and collard green transplants. Okay, what I did to address the problem, I created an inclusive environment where special needs kids could actively participate in gardening and 4-H programs. Through gardening, I provided hands-on opportunities for them to learn valuable life skills and develop healthy habits. Okay. By enrolling them in 4-H, I opened doors for leadership, social interaction, personal growth, ensuring they had access to the same opportunities as their peers. Okay, this right here is me signing the kids up, special needs kids, for the 4-H program. And that's the document. Okay, what did this work for? It fostered their personal growth, independence, and inclusion within their communities. It developed life skills. It helped them build confidence and strengthen social connections also. That's what it worked for. Okay, now this right here, it was amazing. And I really appreciate Dr. Kun. I call him my uncle. I call him Uncle Vic. I call him, I really appreciate him. Because he did give me a hard time for like a year and a half, but he taught me a lot. So this right here, I was looking at the special needs kids. They grew collard greens, and their special needs, and they grew those 10 inches wood and 18 days with a 2-to-1. I'm not gonna tell you what that is because that's, you know what I'm saying? That's 18 days. They grew off what he taught. That's why I appreciate it. I appreciate him for doing that. That's why I had to sign them up for the 4-H program, because I'm not trying to brag on them, boost their confidence in them, but they better than the average high school kid off of what I taught to them, off of what Con taught me. And there go a picture to show. 18 days, they ready the hardest. Collard greens don't grow like that. I appreciate you. Love you, man, love you. Okay. That's Miss Hill, that's Miss Hill, that's their teacher, Miss Hill. And she snap a picture of me with these, but these was bigger behind. You know what I'm saying? They was bigger behind. It was 18 days. But right here, teaching special needs kids gardening and signing them up for 4-H empowers them with life skills. And I'm not trying to overtalk. I mean, like overtalk a bill a long time, but it does empower you with life skills. Because I was into 4-H at 9 years old with Mr. Hunter, and I showed still. That's why I know a lot about livestock. And we just I went to 9 years old. It was 9 to like but he taught me how to show still. So you know what I'm saying, I've been around ag my whole entire time. But it empowers them with life skills. It promotes personal growth and fosters inclusion in their community, meaning it includes them and it accommodates them. That program actually does that. I mean, as far as a special needs kids, because they may have been pushed out of a lot of things because of people call them special needs. So I'm like, nah, I'm finna sign them up for 4-H. And I sign them up for 4-H, and it makes them feel, it accommodate a 4-H program, special need kids. But I mean, I don't think that's it. But that's all I got. I have some slides, I'm sorry.